What's going on, everybody? Today I'll be teaching you how to shake and solve the Rubik's Cube. Now, to do this, you do have to be at least okay at one-handed solving. Let me just set the cube. You have to be at least okay at one-handed solving the cube, because it does require one hand to shake and solve the cube. So let me just show you an example. So here's an example. The cube looks pretty scrambled to a non-cuber. And what you do is you just shake the cube and it will be solved. So to do this trick, the scramble is R prime, fat U, 4 times. And then you can just do a random set of moves to make it look more scrambled. You show the non-cuber and undo those moves, and then just undo that. So yeah, that's how you do the magic shake and solve. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.